Today we got some car parts. If you guys were questioning all the Hello Kitty stuff and all the plushes and stuff back there, this is our office. So half of it is Abby, and then if you see the Corvette back there, half of it is me. You can see right here we have a lip for the WRX. And in this box right here, we have some more ground effects for the car. So today we're gonna be installing this 3-piece eBay lip. When I bought my diffuser for the car, it came with rear spats and I never put them on. So I'm gonna probably put the rear spats on. In this box right here, we have some HT Auto side skirts. So yes, the Subaru is finally getting some ground effects. We're also gonna try to dial in the coilovers and get the car low because it is not low. So here's a better look at the 3-piece lip. Like I said, it was just some 3-piece I bought off of eBay. We're gonna go ahead and open these side skirts and see what they look like. All right, here's everything for the car except for the spats. Look at this young fella. What you doing, bro? Little handsome little dude. So this is what the Icy Aero rear spats look like. You can see I have the diffuser on there. The spats should go something like that. But I think next to the diffuser and the skirts, they'll look pretty good. I think this one's gonna go. And last but not least, on my cracked, ugly, destroyed bumper, the front lip. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start with the front lip. So I've kind of got the lip like taped up, kind of like roughly seeing what it's gonna look like. And it puts us maybe 4 inches from the ground, so. If you see me wearing slides, don't worry about it. And yeah, they are a little too big for my feet. So we're gonna go ahead and start by taking the bumper off because in my experience of putting front lips on this car, it's just so much easier to do it that way. So that's how we're gonna do it. It takes me all but like 30 seconds to take the bumper off this car. It's actually so nice. Like taking the bumper off the G is not fun. It comes with these little self tappers. I'm gonna put them on for now. But with how low I want to ride this car, probably going to end up swapping these out for bolts or something. Okay, but why is it actually lining up really good for a cheap eBay lip?
This was low-key a good idea.
You like it? Mm-hmm. It actually looks pretty good.
Sick, bro.
Fucking sick. It actually looks really good for a $25 lip. Yeah, now I just gotta get a new bumper.
Yeah.
Cause I don't think I can fix that crack. Front lip, good, cool. Okay, so I made a little mistake. So apparently I bought side skirt extensions for OEM WRX side skirts. Well, the weird thing is my WRX does not have those OEM side skirts. I guess I have like base model side skirts or something. I don't know. I've seen people putting STI side skirts on WRXs, but I always thought that the WRX side skirts were all the same. But apparently not. That being said, I still installed them on the car. They actually still look pretty sick. The only problem is that the car is still up really, really high in the rear. So we got the lip and the side skirts. Now we just got to drop this thing. I've got bad news. So if you watched what is probably my newest video, I was very happily drifting my WRX in the snow. Something I've always wanted to do, and I wanted to cross it off my bucket list before this car got too crazy to kind of take out and do that. We messed up the bumper and the new lip pretty bad. Somehow the side skirts held up just fine though. But yeah, the bumper is it's pretty cooked. It's like medium well, dog. Disgusting. So we will probably be buying a new bumper. I needed one anyway. This one's pretty dogged, so I really want to tackle this fitment today. Mainly this side. I can lower the other side if I want, but we got a pretty big gap there, and we're gonna close that up. Now, if you don't remember, this specific corner of the car was up higher because the coilovers, basically this one was seized, and we couldn't get this corner to go lower. So that's enough yapping. Let's slam this fucker. Give her a quick little rub down one more again. This shit ain't working. So, my best friend, Ashton, thank you. I love you. He just came over, threw a 36-inch pipe wrench on this thing, and yeah, we're golden. I guess it looks better, but we are still not low enough. But let's go back up. We're gonna go lower. Bam. Dropped. So as you can tell, this thing is finally lowered. We are officially tucking tire. And this thing looks pretty damn good, other than the fact that it's extremely dirty. So I've got one more ground effect to throw on this car. The rear spats. I'm sure it's pretty boring watching me just drill into my car, so I'm just gonna throw them on real quick. Look at that. On gang. Yeah, it looks really aggressive actually. It looks super sick. Kind of completes the ground effects of the car, and obviously it complements the diffuser and completes it. But I gotta put the other side on. And just like that, we got ourselves some rear spats, baby. All right, guys, that has been the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you got this far in the video, I got a little secret for you guys. I'm gonna be wrapping the WRX, and in the next video, we're doing kind of the paint prep. I think it's the next video, it might be the one after this one, but we're prepping the car for the wrap. As you can see in this video, we already started on the bumper. But if you got this far, just a little secret for you, we're gonna be revealing the wrap in the next video. Just the color, but hey, I mean, I'm waiting on it right now. It's out for delivery. Also, one final thing before I end this video off, I got someone I want you guys to meet. You guys have met Rudy, our brown tabby, and you guys have met Stance, our peach colored cat. But we may or may not have got a rescue dog. Oh, everyone say hi to Lola. Isn't she just the sweetest little baby? Hey, Lola. What are you doing? What are you doing? And, of course, you know, we're going to be bringing her to car shows, duh. But there are big, big things coming for the car this year. We are finally on coilovers. We got all the ground effects. We're getting low. We're going to be lower, I promise. But that's all I've got for you guys. And, yeah, we should be wrapping this car pretty soon. And I think you guys are going to love the color. If you got this far, leave a comment below. Take a guess at what you think the color is going to be. If you already know the color, don't say it, all right? Very few of you know the color, but don't say it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends. My name's Gavin. It's been real. Later.